In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns after column Z, A, E, B, C. If you've ever scrolled all the way to the end of your spreadsheet and wondered what happens after column Z, you are in the right place. Spreadsheets don't stop at Z. They continue with double letters like AA, AB, AC, and so on. I'll show you exactly how to create that next column. Whether you are in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, using a simple right-click click. First, move to the top of your sheet and look for the column headers. Those letters running across the top. Find the one labeled Z, click directly on the letter Z at the very top. That click selects the entire column, which is important because it tells the spreadsheet where you want the new column to appear in relation to Z. Next, right-click click on the letter Z. This opens a small menu specific to that column. Right-clicking the header is the quickest way to access insert options without digging through menus. It also helps ensure you are working precisely at the column level, rather than inside an individual cell. Now, if you are using Google Sheets, choose Insert one column to the right. If you are using Microsoft Excel, choose Insert. That's it. With that single action, the sheet will add a brand new column right after Z in Google Sheets. The menu label makes it clear you are inserting to the right. In Excel, the Insert option on a column header takes care of placing the new column where it needs to go based on that selection. You'll see the new column appear immediately, and its label will be AAA. That's the correct next step in the spreadsheet's lettering system after Z. If you add another one the same way, you'll get AB, and then AC, and so on. This naming pattern continues exactly as you'd expect, so you don't need to rename anything manually. Your existing data will shift to make room, and formulas typically adjust automatically to reflect the new column. If you are organizing large data sets, this is a reliable way to keep expanding without changing your workflow. Just remember, click Z to select it, right-click click on the Z header. Then choose Insert one column to the right in Google Sheets, or Insert in Excel. The result should read AA at the top of your new column, confirming you've gone beyond Z successfully. That's all there is to it. You now know how to continue past column Z and keep building your sheet with AABBCC and beyond. Thanks for watching.